In Obsidian, create 3 folders in your File Explorer sidebar. Name 1 Inbox, 1 Active Ideas, and 1 Archive. That's your entire idea vault structure. These 3 folders are all you need to capture, develop, and preserve every thought, concept, or plan that comes your way. If this saves you from losing another great idea, please like and subscribe, and let me set up the rest. Inside the Inbox folder, create a note called Idea Dashboard. This is your master control panel. Type a level 1 heading that says Idea Dashboard. Then add these subheadings: Quick Capture, Active Ideas, Recently Added, Priority Ideas, Next Review, and Related Notes. Each of these is a placeholder that you will fill in as your vault grows. The Quick Capture section is where you will dump raw ideas the moment they hit you. No formatting, no judgment, just get them down. The Next Review line should hold a date, which reminds you to check in on your ideas on a regular schedule. This dashboard becomes the first thing you see when you open your vault, so it keeps your thinking organized before you even start connecting anything. Now, the capture habit. Whenever a new idea appears, add it to the Inbox folder. Do not try to organize it yet. Just get it into Obsidian so it is safe. As your collection expands, create separate notes inside Inbox for ideas that have real potential. Each of these notes should contain the core idea, why it matters to you, possible ways to apply it, any related ideas you already have, and the very next step you could take. The reason you capture first and organize later is that your brain's creative moment is fragile. If you stop to categorize, you lose the thought. Capture first, refine second. Move to the Active Ideas folder and create a note called Idea Tracker. This note is your development engine. Give it a level 1 heading, then add subheadings: Active Ideas, Idea Information, Next Actions, Progress Notes, and Related Projects. Under Idea Information, create placeholders for idea name, category, priority, and status. This structure forces you to define what an idea actually is before you commit time to it. The priority field prevents you from chasing every shiny thought. Only the most impactful ideas should move forward. The status field tells you whether an idea is in research, planning, execution, or on hold. The idea tracker turns vague inspiration into actionable projects. Organize your growing ideas by categories that make sense for your life. You might use personal, business, content, projects, research, or learning. Do not overthink this. Pick 3 to 5 categories that cover what you actually think about. You can always rename them later. The point is to make ideas findable. When you want to work on a business concept, you should be able to jump straight to that category without scrolling through 100 random notes. When an idea is finished, postponed, or just no longer relevant, do not delete it. Move it to the Archive folder. Deletion is permanent loss, and many ideas become useful again months or years later with new context. Inside the Archive folder, create a note called Archived Ideas. Give it headings for Archive List, Archive Information, Lessons Learned, Related Ideas, and Notes. Under Archive Information, include fields for idea name, archive date, and reason. Documenting the reason helps you avoid repeating a dead end or recognizing that circumstances have changed, making the idea viable again. Here is where Obsidian becomes powerful. Use internal links to connect related notes. In your idea dashboard, type double square brackets around the name of an active idea note to link directly to it. Link ideas to research notes, to project plans, to meeting notes where the idea was discussed. Every link creates an invisible thread that lets you navigate your thinking later. When you look at an archived idea that is connected to a newer version, you see the full history of that concept. This is what turns a simple folder structure into a genuine vault of insight. Add properties to each idea note. In Obsidian, properties appear at the top of a note between 2 sets of 3 dashes. Include fields like category, status, priority, date created, last updated, and related project. Properties let you sort and filter your ideas using Obsidian's built-in search tools. A beginner can skip this step, but as your vault reaches 50 or 100 ideas, properties become the difference between chaos and a system that actually works. Use tags as well. Tags are the words preceded by a hash symbol that you place anywhere in a note. Examples: hash business, hash content, hash research, hash personal, hash project, hash inspiration. Tags cut across your folder structure. A note in Active Ideas about a blog post might have the tags hash content and hash writing. You can then click the hash content tag and instantly see every content idea you have ever captured, regardless of which folder it lives in. Folders provide structure. Tags provide flexibility. Now, string all these pieces into a simple workflow. Every new idea goes into the inbox folder raw. Once a week, or whenever you have a few minutes, open your idea dashboard and review the quick capture list. Move the most promising ideas into the active ideas folder and add them to the idea tracker with a priority and status. Develop them, link them to other notes, and update their properties as they evolve. When an idea is done or stalled, move it to the archive folder and log the reason in the archived ideas note. That is the whole loop. Capture, develop, archive. It takes less than a minute per idea once you have the habit. An idea vault built this way does not just store thoughts, it grows with you. You will never lose a good idea to a forgotten sticky note or a scattered notebook. Your thinking becomes connected, searchable, and reusable. For next steps, create a template in Obsidian for your idea notes so you do not have to type the same structure every time. And set a weekly calendar reminder to review your inbox. Even 2 minutes will keep your vault alive and valuable. If this system helps you, save this video and come back whenever you need to capture a new thought.